This is a review of the 4K 8 megapixel security camera that's outdoor wireless home. A security camera that comes with a tilt mode. It comes with pretty much you get a two-way audio, and then an IP66 is waterproof, and it comes with the no subscription as well too. A security camera that I'm going to be doing a review about. In this review, we're going to show you guys everything about the security camera. We're going to unbox it, show you guys what to get inside this package, and from there, we are also going to pretty much do a little test demo to test this product out to see whether or not if this security camera is worth it. So without going further, let's unbox this and show you guys what you get inside this package. Okay, so this is everything you get inside this package, and from there, I do want to say that the security camera itself here too is extremely high quality. It feels very nice when you hold it. Not just that, but you get those two antennas on the top, so pretty much it gives a better signal. Right over here, you get three wires that you pretty much attach to right over there. So you guys, as you guys know, this is a wired version of the security camera. It comes with the screws that were needed to pretty much screw one right over there to pretty much, to screw it on your wall mount. So you need to find a good location where you're gonna, screw this on. And I do want to say this is a outdoor version of security camera as well too, so you could place this outdoors as you want, and you could, if you want, you could also place this indoors however you wanted. Right over here comes with more installation stuff that you need if you to install it. But I'm going to pretty much now, what we're gonna do now is we're gonna show you guys a demo test on the security camera to show you guys how it exactly operates once you plug it into the outlet. Okay, so we're gonna go test fit this. So all you have to do now is plug it into the outlet. From there, once you have it plugged into the outlet, it's going to move 360 degrees to do the factory resets, and from there it's going to tell you to please configure your network, which is going to do that about like right now or so. So once it does that, then from there you download the app on your phone. Once you do that, then from there it's ready to go and ready to use, and you're gonna pretty much
please configure the network.
So once you do that, like I told you guys, download the app, and from there it should be ready to use. But I do love the fact that the security camera, it moves 360 degrees, so it goes up and down, left to right, however you want it. But not the most important thing I do want to say is that it has a human detection as well too. So if there's a human walking by, it's going to pretty much detect that. Auto tracking detection, it comes with that. But another thing I do want to mention is that this is, like I told you guys before, a 4K 8 megapixel security camera. It's an outdoor security camera. It could pretty much it's a 2.45 gigahertz auto tracking, color night vision effect. So it's going to record everything at nights. If a human or a cat or animal is walking by, it's going to have the night vision, so you're going to see everything at night. Any like a possum, raccoon, or anything like that, you're going to see everything at night. So I do love the fact it comes with that. Two-way audio, so if there is a package being delivered to your porch or front door, then you're going to be able to talk to the delivery driver, and it has a two-way audio tracker. So I do love it comes with that. IP66, meaning that it is waterproof. It can withstand water. It's a plug and play, very user-friendly, very easy installation. And yeah, I would definitely recommend the Hiseeu security camera because of the fact that it's very easy to set up, very easy to use, it's user-friendly, and most importantly, it has the auto tracking. It has pretty much the color night vision effect. It's waterproof. It can withstand water, and it does a lot of I'm very overall happy with this product because of the fact that it does everything that you need for a security camera. The two-way talk, you get pretty much everything. The audio tracking, the 4K Ultra HD, the color night vision effect, and all that stuff is something that's very important for a security camera. And I would definitely recommend this if you're looking for a security camera for your home. Then this one from Hiseeu is probably one of the best security cameras that you could get.